Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Mechanical Stream and I hope you are doing well. Friend, in today's video, we are going to check the virtual internship program which is provided by the Standard Bank, which is a multinational bank. And friend, the internship opportunities available in data science field. So it is a very good opportunity for all the college going students, freshers and the professionals who are having some experience and want to make their career in data analyst or data science field. So friend, we are going to check the all the details, what types of certificates you can get. So you can see here the sample certificate is given and what types of things you will learn and how you have to register. So please watch the video complete. So friend, if you don't know about the Standard Bank, so let's check it. So friend, once you go to the Google, then you can see here Standard Bank. So you can see Standard Bank Group is a limited, is a major South African bank and financial services group. And friend, it is Africa's biggest lender by assets, and the company's corporate headquarters, Standard Bank Center, is situated in Simons Street, Johannesburg. So, friend, it is a multinational organization, and friend, this virtual internship program is you can complete it from work from home. So, please complete it. So, let's check about this virtual internship program. So, you can see here we are at the official page of Forage, who is providing this Standard Bank Data Science Virtual Experience Program. So friend, you can see here your register now is given. So how you will register we will discuss later. Let's check the first about this virtual internship program. So you can see here why you need to join this virtual experience program. So friend, let's check it. So you can see during this program, you will get the opportunity to step into the shoes of a Standard Bank team member and complete tasks that replicate the work that their data science team does every day. And friend, you will learn how to understand the data science project lifecycle, course trainer model, and present the process as it relates business objectives. And friend, you can see here we hope this program provides you a great resource for your to skill up and strengthen your resume as you explore career option and a potential career at Standard Bank. So friend, it is a very good opportunity. So and also you can see here a small video regarding this virtual internship program is given. So if you want to explore, you can watch this video so that you can get the basic idea about this virtual internship program. And also we are going to check the details. I have given the link in the description box from where you can easily access it. So friend, you can see here what types of benefits you will get from this virtual internship program. So you can see you can do this virtual internship in your own time, and it is a fit for the data science virtual experience program with your busy schedule, and you learn at your own pace and reach your personal goals. So whenever you will get the free times like the weekends or weekdays, once you come from the your job, you can complete it. And friend, also it will help you to stand out from the crowd, so you can mention it in your resume. Also you can share the this certification on the your LinkedIn profile, and you can see you will get the certificates. So friend, these are the some benefits you will get. So let's check what types of things you will learn, which is a very important. So let's check the first one, that is a you will learn the SQL for data scientist, and friend, a relationship with relational databases. And you can see here friend, you will get the practical skills and you will gain from the working on these various types of tasks. So you will increase your knowledge regarding this SQL language. So in the second module, you can see here friend, you will learn data science with Python, in which you will learn the machine learning versus bespoke. So you will increase your knowledge regarding the Python, how to do data analysis with the help of Python, machine learning, and what is a AutoML. So this type of things you will learn. And in the module number 3, you can see here friend, you will learn how to prepare to present back to understanding the businesses. So friend, along with the data scientist, you have to also deal with the customer and multiple stakeholders. So you need a very good communication skills. So in this you will learn the how to do the client communication, how to make the various types of presentation with the help of PowerPoint. So this type of things you will learn friend. And in the last module, you can see putting it all together, so you have to present your insights to a non-technical audience. So in which you can see, friend, the client communication is a very important key skills, because you have make the insights and you have to explain it to the non-technical audience. So you have the mind that it is a very simple language, so that you can when present to the audience, they can understand. So ultimate goal of the data science or data analyst, that they provide the very good insights from the data, and which is stakeholders can use for the better to do organization. So these are the some basic goals of the data science and data analyst. So friend, you can see here this program is a self-paced and it will take approximately 4 hours to complete. And friend, once you complete this virtual internship, then you can see here this type of certificates you will get. So you can see here on the top, the logo of Standard Bank is given. Then friend, you can see your name will be given, you can see here, and along with the internship topic, that is a data science virtual experience program will be given. And what types of things you have learned in this virtual experience program, like SQL for data scientist, data science with Python, preparing to present, putting all together the various types of insights. So this type of things will be mentioned on these certificates. And friend, you will also get the link on the at the bottom of the certificates, you can see here. So if anyone want to verify your certificates, they can use this link and verify your certificates. So friend, before going to check how you have to register, if you have not subscribed our channel Mechanical Stream yet, please subscribe. We are making the free certification courses, intensive opportunities, job notifications, and the interview tips. So please subscribe Mechanical Stream. And friend, also visit our channel. You can see various type of data science, data analyst, and multiple intensive opportunities videos we have created. So please check it and apply for the internships. And friend, let's check how you have to register for this virtual internship program. So friend, for this experience program, both freshers, experienced professionals, and the college going students can apply. So you can see here register now is given, so you have to simply click on that. And friend, once you click, then this type of window will appear. So you can see here two options is given, that is sign up with email, or you can see login. So if you have ID, you can directly log in. If not, then you have to create first. For that, you have to click on the sign up with email, and once you click, then this type of window will appear. Then you have to provide your first name, last name, and you have to enter your email address. And friend, after that you have to create one password, and after that you have to select your choices, that is you are the high school students or university or college going students, or you are the in your career, means you are the freshers or you have the some experience. And after that you have to select how did you hear about this virtual internship program, like you can select the social media or Google search, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or other things. So after providing these details, you have to click on this register, and once you click, you will be registered in this virtual internship program. And after login and ID, you can access this virtual internship program. And friend, you will get the certificates after completing the various type of task you have received from this internship. And friend, if you have any doubt or if you have any query, please comment in the video. We are going to check it and resolve your queries. And friend, please subscribe Mechanical Stream. Thank you.